So today we're gonna fly the drone Mav 3 Pro Cine with the nice little controller, and we got batteries and extra batteries because we'll probably need them. Come on, boy. Yeah, baby. Come on. Come on. You got it. Oh, good baby. Okay, we're gonna go do this one today. Alright, so we need the directions to the trail. Alright, here we go. Somebody a little excited this morning? Birds flying with me. Alright. This illustrates one of my favorite functions of this app. Okay. So, I really don't know which way's the right way here. But because I've got it on follow me and the maps are so good, I can look right here and tell. Now, interesting enough, I would have chosen this route because it's the main road, right? But that's not the right way. That's not the right way. This is. That's how that works. Even my dog was impressed. Okay, so these are getting a little bit frayed, messed up, broken. So I'm going to replace them really quickly. And it's so quick. And you pop it down and turn it like that. Gotta find that little spot right there. It'll snap down in there, and then you turn it. There we go. They're playing, having a good time. It's been raining, so it looks like a lake down there, and it actually is an old lake bed, river bed, or something. And it was it's a playa lake now, which means it's just gonna dry up, I guess. You know, seasonally. When it rains, it fills up, and it dries out. Okay. Alright, I think we're ready to go. Home point's updated. Throw these away. And this is a time like this when I just absolutely love that I have these little bags. They're like, I don't know, less than $10. I got 2. And they empty down here. They're so cool. Okay. Well, hello. How are you, baby? Huh? You doing good? Where'd they go? They're over there, playing, running around, sniffing around. Okay. Hey, baby. I'm trying to fly a drone and you're wanting a tummy scratching? Huh? You wanting a tummy scratching? Alright. So there's the little drone. running for my freedom, chasing tomorrow like the world might end. Here I go again, crying and I'm dying, hoping and groping, same lesson again. Maybe I'll do different this time. I'll learn to love myself and make you walk that line. Freedom has no price, but it ain't free. Gotta trust and love myself, the greatest mystery. Man, that was fun. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. And check out the Trails Offroad app. It's a great source for information, and you'll never get lost on the trail again.